be more of us doing these jobs. Now I just need to work harder. I don't know what's the point. My job is to keep the fireplace warm, even though it's a hot summer day outside. Best to just keep my head down and do as I was told 6 months ago. Hi, look what I'm doing now. This is great. After we rearrange things, I don't need to run anymore. Come and see what I've developed. Hi! One of the big reasons why I like lean thinking is the fact that development is done through a special kind of respect for people. When done right, working is easier, tasks are more valuable, and employees can influence their work. Someone has nicely said that lean is not about running faster, rather walking a shorter distance. When people, for instance, have less walking, searching, defects, and work between different people and departments is seamless, then quite understandably this is good from the viewpoint of big company metrics as well. So, what is lean? In short, executing customer value. For instance, let's take this car. Even though lean thinking has originated from the car industry, I didn't choose this example because of it. In fact, lean has evolved outside the car industry for about 30 years, and hence has started to live a life of its own. Actually, this car would be a good example where we aren't lean, because soon after buying this, the wheel came off. And quality is a big part of lean, especially quality done right the first time. So whatever we develop, it shouldn't be done at the expense of quality. But the focus in quality isn't really anything new under the sun. So what is it in lean that sets it apart from other improvement programs? In a word, flow. Bear with me for a moment. Let's imagine that the production of this toy car is inside this box, or that we could see everything in a company as well as we can see inside here. We would see a lot of people working. For instance, someone would be installing these doors. That's something I, as a customer, am willing to pay for, because then my product is processed towards a finished product. But then we might see people moving the car to and from a warehouse. Or the car is just waiting its turn because there is a big lot of cars being colored white. Or just simply a tool or a part is missing. These tasks are something customers don't want to pay for, so we shouldn't be doing them either. These non-value adding tasks are called wastes that we, depending on the situation, either try to eliminate or minimize. When doing so, our work also becomes easier. Flow is the way we achieve this. When trying to be resource efficient, the natural tendency is to optimize different tasks. For instance, maybe a certain weekday is your laundry day. This might seem a good way to take advantage of economies of scale. Maybe doing more at once is faster than a little bit at a time. With full baskets of dirty laundry, I can always wash full loads of all different colors. And I can take a big pile of clean towels to the cupboard all at once. So this way I'll be a lot more resource efficient, right? Actually, wrong. Oh no, that's not me. I haven't gone crazy, I hope. By having a bath with my clothes on, I'm giving you an example of one-piece flow, which is the most classical but not the only way of achieving flow. Mass production has brought us loads of advancements in resource efficiency, but at the same time it has brought us additional work as well. Let me explain. When dealing with a lot of items at once, additional work appears. For instance, when I start, I need to sort the laundry into different piles according to color and washing temperature. This work could be avoided completely if, for instance, I would wash my sheets straight after taking them off the bed. Or when I have clean and dry laundry, I tend to carry it to the living room where I have more space and can watch TV at the same time I fold up the laundry. This of course causes additional work in the way of walking, and also I often find other things to do on the way, which take time away again. Those examples might seem a bit too obvious, but you'll probably be amazed at how much additional work has been created at your workplace when people have tried to be too efficient. In Lean we try to be flow efficient. This means that the time it takes from a dirty towel to become clean and ready to use is minimized by eliminating things that don't add value. This is good. And this, I think you'll agree, is disastrous. Okay, my version of one-piece flow washing doesn't really work yet. But actually we need to understand that one-piece flow is often only a distant target we go towards to, even if with current technology it might not be even realistically possible. So, one of the small but big changes we need to make is in how we develop our work. Before Lean I tended to approach improvement by thinking what am I doing now, what will I do next, and how can I improve that? Just the same with the machine, where I was trying to optimize what is the machine doing now and what will it do next. With flow we need to change that and start viewing the product. What is being done to the product now and what will we do to the product next? And how can we improve that? By going upstream from the customer.